Let's look at 4 income-producing assets you should invest in during your 20s and 30s. Number 4. Stocks. Many young adults hesitate to invest in stocks, thinking that it's too risky or that they don't have enough money. However, investing in stocks is one of the best ways to secure your financial future. Furthermore, stocks offer the opportunity for compound growth, which means that your returns are reinvested and you earn money on your original investment plus the returns. Investing in stocks is a great way to build long-term wealth and achieve financial security. Number 3. Rental units. Investing in rental units is a great asset for a number of reasons. First of all, rental units tend to appreciate in value over time. This means that if you hold on to your property for a long enough period of time, you are likely to see a significant return on your investment. Additionally, rental units can provide you with a steady stream of income. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to save up for a major purchase, such as a house or a car. Finally, rental units can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. By spreading your money across different types of assets, you can minimize your risk and maximize your potential for growth. Number 2. Self-storage units. When most people think of investing in real estate, they envision buying a home or an apartment building. However, self-storage units can actually be a much more profitable investment, especially for those in their 20s and 30s. Self-storage units are in high demand as more and more people are downsizing and decluttering their homes. They provide a great source of passive income, as you can often charge higher rents than traditional storage facilities. Additionally, self-storage units require very little maintenance. If you're looking for a lucrative real estate investment, self-storage units are definitely worth considering. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1. An online business. There are a number of reasons why having an online business is a great asset to have during your 20s and 30s. First of all, an online business is a very flexible way to earn an income. You can often work from anywhere in the world, and you can set your own hours. This means that you can easily fit your work around other commitments, such as family or studies. In addition to that, having an online business can be a great source of financial security during your 20s and 30s. Unlike many traditional jobs, an online business is not susceptible to economic downturns or company closures. Therefore, it can provide a stable income during times when other sources of income may be scarce. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.